Hello everyone, I am here to give you guys a simple vector tutorial. First, you should open your Adobe Photoshop. When you open it, you should create a new file. Just go to File, New. You can set the width or the height. You click OK. Now that you have your canvas, you can change or edit it. You can use your shortcut keys, Control Alt I, and you can edit the width and the height. Click OK. Now we have our workspace. As you can see, we have the rulers. You can move the horizontal rulers to put mark on your canvas so that you can mark where you're going to start and you're going to put the point for your drawing. It's up to you where to put it, as long as you have in your mind what you're going to draw. Since we're gonna draw, or we're gonna make a simple bahay kubo, let's just put these marks so that we can design our walls and the roof. There, just adjust it to wherever you like. You can go to your pencil when you're done with your mark. On the left side, the one that looks like a pen. You can change the color if you want. Since we're making a bahay kubo, make it a brown wall. So you click the point there, the other one there, and here. Now we have a simple wall. It's just a rectangle, a big rectangle. I am thinking of making a three-dimensional house, three-dimensional bahay kubo. So I put a mark again, horizontal mark, put the points, and then draw the other wall. Now I am going to make the roof. Let's change the color into something a little darker. It's up to you where you're gonna put the roof. It doesn't have to be very perfect since this is our first time to make a vector. Just put marks to wherever you like. Let's just put this in the center so that we can make the center of the house. create the points again using the pen tool. So now I'm making the roof. To create another shape, you should choose create new layer at the bottom of your layers, then choose the color that you want. So there, I made it a little dark. Now we have our house. We have the walls of our house, the roof. So we're gonna make the window. Choose the color that you want. Let's make it a little lighter. Press OK. Draw the point. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just draw whatever in your mind. So there, I've created a window. It's up to you if you're gonna make another window or you're just gonna continue with the door of your house. You can use your imagination in creating any design that you want. So now I'm creating the door. Our door looks wide, but it's okay as long as you like it that way. Now I'm gonna try to make the ladder. Usually by Kubo have ladders. Ladders are very common to bahay kubo, to a bahay kubo. So you can just duplicate the leg of the ladder, so you don't have to make another one. It's really up to you on how you create your design, as long as you meet your goal. Just duplicate this one so that it would be easier for you. Duplicate again until you reach the end of the ladder. Now that we've created the ladder, our house looks like it's flying. It doesn't have a pole that holds the house beneath it. So let's try to create this sticks or lines that looks like it holds the house. Almost there. Create the four corners. Almost there. There. So now we're gonna create another window because our house looks mm, windowless. We should just copy the layers and and then move it to the other side on the left side of the door. There. Let's adjust it. Now that we're done, we're gonna group all these layers of the house. Since we're done with the house, just drag it inside, just drag the layers inside the group. It's taking too long, but patience is a virtue. You can merge the group to make it one image. There, now we only have one image. We can move it wherever we want without breaking the parts of the house. If you want to add another object to your drawing, you can add another layer, create a tree or something to make it look like it's really a house. It's in the countryside because it's a Bahay Kubo. Usually Bahay Kubo are in the country. So let's create the trunk. We can bend the trunk if we like. There, now that we bend it, it looks like a trunk. Now let's create the leaves. Just a simple leaves, it doesn't have to be perfect. Choose the color that you like. Of course, leaves are green. You choose any shade of green. There, it looks stiff, but you can just bend it so that it would look like it's really a leaf. extend it a little. We can just duplicate the layer if we want later. Just put it on the other side, then duplicate more layers so that you can create more leaves. Duplicate another one. Then another one. You can create as many as you want. Just adjust it. And the last leaf. Just adjust it so that it would look like a tree. There. When you're done, you can group this again together like what we did with the house. Just group it together. detail all of it or inside the group. Then you can merge it into one and make it a picture. Now we have two objects, the house and the tree. Let's just put something behind, a little background I think. Let's just use the gradient tool. Choose the color blue for the sky. Just put it behind. And when you're done, you can save it. Just go to file. You can save it as PSD or as JPEG. So first let's save it as PSD. Name it to whatever you like. Put it in any folder you want. And there you have it. You've done your first vector. I hope you enjoy. Thank you all.